Birdman.
Started off at the fucking top, never gon' drop. Niggas gon' flop. Niggas better stop the shit that they capping. G hustle in this bitch and I ain't even rapping. Nigga, I'm ready for that dumb shit. What you talking about? Nigga, better smoke your out. Smoke your out. What you talking about? Nigga, ain't no fucking screwed up shit. Nigga, now, nigga, ball
It's
till I.
Louisiana. Nigga, what the deal? Bossier City, real street pole, what the deal? I see you, my nigga. Keep it real, my nigga. If the law tryna hate shit, swerve, my nigga. Swerve, my nigga, to the curb, my nigga. Shit, smoking on Mary Jane Purr, my nigga. Purple shit, I mean that cushion shit. Me and Mike blowing blunts, getting hella blitz. Yeah.
Lit like a pit. Bitch, niggas better stop talking shit. Nigga about to write a fucking freestyle hit. Nigga, you better not forget the shit that I'm speaking. Grind on the weekend, in the early morning time. I don't give a fuck, I'm on the grind. I love it till I die. Nigga never gon' die. Nigga never gon' cry. So when I'm gone, then you better gon' cry. You might gon' cry. You might gon' die because I'm hell of a like that nigga. I don't give a fuck, I pull that trigger.
On the 2500 block, that's where I be. Smoking weed, do pot of shit, you know I be. Yeah, I'm off the chain, got fucked up brain. Me and my niggas can't maintain, we smoking on Jane. Yeah, what the deal? Shit, popping on pill. Me and my niggas is real shit, how you feel? We got big K's and choppers and nines and Rugers. Nigga, we'll do ya. Nigga, shoot straight through ya.
See,
nigga,
all my life I been trying to get that paper. All my life I been knowing them niggas gon' hate ya. That's why I be with that dumb shit. Best to pull the triggers out when I come get your money out your pocket. Yeah, niggas G hustle creeping, better watch it. Nigga got to pull it out your socket. Nigga better stop baller, block it. I don't give a fuck, nigga, dollars keep clocking. Niggas keep watching, niggas better stop it.
hitting lick after lick. Yeah, you know we gon' split. Me and Mike shit, we split that lick. 50-50, my nigga, straight down the middle. $3,000 shit.
See the road to Bossier, dog told ya. Niggas some rollers, straight fucking soldier, smoking the Doja.